Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So today our new theme unit, Science and Scientific Phenomena. Teacher Begzat Konaleva will present. Okay, learning objectives. Today's learning objectives: understand specific information in unsupported extended talk on a wide range of general and curricular topics, including talk on a limited range of unfamiliar topics, and understand the details in the text. So, you will achieve these objectives if you can guess the theme and discuss some interesting facts about DNA, and fulfill second, third, and fourth exercises correctly for about 80%. Next, here we are going to watch the video and guess today's theme.
I'm giving you 7 facts that will blow your mind. For those of you who are new here, I love DNA and all things genetics. And if you're not impressed by the facts on this list, then you might as well walk home. If you do enjoy these facts, I would love nothing more than to have you share this video with your friends. You can tag me on Facebook or Twitter at 2Minute Classroom, and I will thank you personally with a comment or GIF. Now to the list. Number 1. The DNA in a single human cell is roughly 6 feet long if fully stretched out. And if you took all the DNA from every cell in your body, it would stretch more than 100 billion miles, long enough to span our entire solar system, 14 times. Number 2. The human genome contains about 20,000 genes. However, those genes only make up about 1 to 2% of your DNA. The rest is called non-coding DNA, which scientists thought had little value to us. However, recent research shows that this non-coding DNA may in fact have some very vital functions. Number 3. Your genes are not as unique as you may think. You probably know that identical twins are 100% similar genetically, and you also probably know that you are a 50-50 split of your mom and dad. But did you know that you also approximately share about 50% of your genes with your siblings? And that fraternal twins only share 50% as well? Your genes have an approximate 25% similarity to your grandparents and your aunts and uncles, and 12.5% with first cousins. Fact number 4. DNA is great at storing data. 1 gram of DNA can hold about 700 terabytes of data, the equivalent of 358,000 hours of HD video, which would take you over 40 years to watch if you never slept. And, by the way, you have over 50 grams of DNA. Fact number 5. The human genome is a complete sequence of human DNA, all 3 billion base pairs, including the location of all genes. If you were to type out the entire human genome at 60 words per minute, it would take 95 years. Needless to say, it took a collaborative effort by the scientific community to map the human genome. And you can learn more about that in this video. Number 6. Your mitochondria has its own DNA that is separate from the DNA stored in your nucleus. Interestingly, you get your mitochondria from your mother, so the mitochondrial DNA comes from your maternal line, stretching back through your mother, grandmother, great-grandmother, and beyond. Sorry, Dad. And number 7. We have digitized the DNA sequence of several notable people, including Stephen Hawking, Lance Armstrong, and Stephen Colbert. This digital DNA is stored in the Immortal Drive, which is a hard drive orbiting the Earth on the International Space Station. So whoever finds it long after we're gone will think humans were fit, funny, and highly intelligent. Don't forget.
I think theme is the video is interesting and you could guess the same. Interesting facts about DNA is today's subtitle, yeah? Discussion. Share what you remember from the video. Which facts were the most mind-blowing for you? Can you imagine our world without disease? So, right now, teacher can pause the video and listen to discussions of the class. Next that you will do is exercise number 2. Read the text and do the exercise. So, a world without disease. The text is quite clear, so it takes only 5 minutes to read the text and for more 3 minutes to do the exercise. Again, teacher will pause the video and wait for when you finish reading and when you fulfill the exercise. So answers, please check yourself and tell your teacher how many points do you have. Next is learning task. Learning task is what you do after lesson till the next lesson, yeah? You know, it says home task, but you will do this task to understand better the theme. Exercises 3 and 4. The third exercise is filling in the gaps. You have the given words: debate, inherited, sells, prevent, made, determines, characteristics, brought. You are going to choose those from the list of the given words, those words, and put here from 1 to 8. After, you are welcome to do the exercise 4. Match the columns to make collocations. You see, you have live, inherit, gene, faulty, genetically modified, and one more task. You can do this exercise with your book, yeah? And also you have here given versions of answers: babies, editing, food, longer, diseases, and etc. Hope that you liked the lesson and you understood everything. If you have any questions, please don't be shy, you are welcome. Teachers are always ready to answer for your questions. So, choose one word which describes your mood during the lesson and explain why. There are given words: anger, joy, indifference, satisfaction, inspiration, boredom, trouble, confidence, comfort, pleasure. So these words will help you to give feedback and listen to your peers about their mood during the lesson. Thank you. Bye.